Have you ever tried to nail a true short-field landing in a Cessna 172 and wondered what speeds actually make the difference? The secret starts on the final approach. You want a stabilized glide at about 61 knots with full flaps, holding a firm but controlled descent into your target point. As you cross the threshold, ease it back just enough to touch down precisely where you planned, not where the airplane decides. Immediately apply strong braking while keeping the yoke back to unload the nose. Mastering these speeds turns tight runways into routine operations. For more flying insights, subscribe, like, and comment.